This is my suitcase. I keep this bag in here at all times because whenever I'm traveling, I want to make sure I have all my charging accessories with me ready to go. But I'm taking it out because there's something new that needs to go into this bag, and that's this. This is my new favorite folding charger. It's actually from Anker, who's sponsoring this video. And in fact, they sent over 2 different versions of their Prime wireless charging stations. Look, for a long time, wireless charging has very much been more of a convenience rather than the best way to charge. If you want a quick charge, usually you got to plug in, but that might not be the case anymore. So both of these are Anker Prime wireless charging stations. They both have 3-in-1 capability, but one is more portable and actually folds up, and the other is more for your desk or your nightstand station. And for me, especially in the last few months, I feel like I've just been traveling a ton, and making sure you have the right equipment for when you're on the go really does take a load off. You know that wherever you're going, when you get to the hotel, when you get to your destination, just knowing that you have a solid way to charge up your devices after traveling, where probably your phone is running low on juice, well, just makes it that much easier. So this is your 3-in-1 station that actually folds up, so you can charge a phone, you can charge a Apple Watch, and you can charge something like your AirPods. These are all devices that I take with me when I'm traveling, so it makes sense to want to charge them all, and you can do it here with all one device. And because of the size, I think that's really the selling point here. It's basically fits in the palm of your hand, and that makes it easy to pack into my case. Like I showed up front, this just lives in here, and that means I can take it wherever I'm going. And because it's just one device, that means I only need one power brick to actually go to the wall. So it's just one cable to charge all 3 of my devices. But what kind of takes us to the next level is the actual performance. This uses Qi 2, so you have 25 watts of charging, which compared to like the 5 watts or the 15 watts that you used to get, this is a huge step up. In fact, if you have an iPhone 17 Pro like I do here, from 0, you can go all the way to 50% in just 26 minutes with wireless charging, which is unheard of on any other previous standard. And while Anker knows that these speeds are pretty crazy because they actually built in active cooling, because when you're getting this type of wireless charging, it can get a little toasty. This actually has a built-in fan so that it will be able to cool itself down and in turn cool your phone down, which just gives you better performance when charging, but also make sure that when you pick up your phone, it's not like some red hot brick, which if you've ever tried other wireless chargers, that can happen. Anker is using what they call Active Shield 5.0, so we can actually detect the temperatures, see what's going on with the charging, and make sure that your device and the charger itself is safe and just ready for your use. Now, aside from that main charger up front, which is great, you also have the other 2 built in. So on the back, you'll see you have this one, you can just click it in and it'll pop out your Apple Watch charger. And this is nice because it'll work with any band you have. Some chargers make you lay the Apple Watch flat, and certain bands just don't open that way. So this, doesn't have an issue with that. And down on the bottom, you have another area where, for me, is where I would charge my AirPods. And if you're traveling and are anything like me, I love to have my AirPods in no matter when I am traveling. And so at the end of the night, it's nice to plop them on the charger so that the next day I'm ready to go. I love a stand like this, not only because it's clean, like I mentioned before, just with that one cable, but especially on a nightstand and when I'm out somewhere that's new and I don't have my typical nightstand setup, I love having my phone on standby mode. But also, in this whole situation, you don't have to just use it on your nightstand. Because of this folding mechanism, you can take it with you really anywhere. So if you want to prop up your phone, have a nice stand, this works for that too. And so if you travel a lot or you're going different places, you want something really portable, this is the charger to get. And having one like this has become invaluable. Now, maybe you're someone else who doesn't travel all that much at all, and you just want something for your home setup. Well, that's where this version comes in. This Anker Prime wireless charging station is also a 3-in-1 Mago air-cooled charging station, but instead of it being a foldable stand, this is a docking stand. This is for someone that wants all of their charging to happen just in one place. That's where it all lives, and you kind of build a routine around it. And if you're looking for a really nice and polished setup, this is where you're going to want to look. Now here, for your phone, you have that same Qi 2 wireless charging with 25 watts of power, but because it's more of this desktop situation, if you're charging an iPhone 17 Pro, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 22 minutes, so even slightly faster than the portable version. And that speed is really close to wired charging, but it's wireless. And that's kind of the whole point here, is that no longer do you have to think of wireless charging as purely convenience. Now it's not only convenient, but it's also just actually useful and can be your main way of charging, even if you need to get a quick charge going. Now, because of all this, high speed charging going on, again, safety safety and protecting your device is very important, and this does it in a few different ways. It has that Active Shield 5.0 that I mentioned before, but it also has TEC cooling for safe charging. And this is a way of, effectively pulling heat away from the charging surface with active air cooling. It actually uses a fan to do this so that you just don't have to worry about your phone and device getting hot. And this is actually certified as a low temperature wireless charging station, which again, if you've tried a bunch of wireless chargers, I think you know what I'm talking about here. They can get pretty toasty. This one just doesn't have that issue. Now, this also, again, can charge other devices. So you have an Apple Watch charger and you can charge things like your AirPods. And so from a charging perspective, you're getting the speed, you're getting the cooling, and really just giving you a clean, efficient setup. But what's really cool about this is there's actually a display built in. So if you have this on your nightstand or on your desk, what's nice is there's actually a clock here. Plus, using NFC, you can actually connect to it over Bluetooth. So you can control different things about the charger wirelessly. Like there are different charging modes depending on what you're looking for. Like there's an ice mode, which will try and keep it as cool as possible. There's a boost mode, which is just going to go full speed ahead to give you the fastest charge. There's a sleep mode that will make sure the light on the display doesn't bother you, and it will, make sure that there's no fan noise or anything like that. So this is really suited for like a nightstand situation. That's where I'm using it. And luckily with this, you actually in the box get a 65-watt charger with it. So you don't need to buy anything else. This is all you need. Plug it into the wall and you're good to go. So with both of these, it really just comes down to trying to make wireless charging as simple and effective as possible, whether you're on the go or whether you're just at home. They both can charge 3 different devices at once, and they're doing it very quickly. They both make sure you don't have a ton of cables everywhere, and they both make wireless charging feel like the future it's supposed to be. So if you want to check these out, and I highly suggest you do, Anker makes some great products. I'll leave links down below in the description. You'll find the best prices. If you got a trip coming up, that foldable one is definitely one I recommend. But if you're just looking to up your setup game at home, check these out because they're really going to make a big difference.